Well, we just received information tungkol dun sa pangyayari dun sa PSCOM, yung Philippine Sea Games Organizing Committee, no? And we in possession of documents already na meron talagang kailangan imbestigahan. Because there are a huge amount of money na na-involved dito. If you recall, there was no bidding na ginawa rito. Tapos unliquidated, so marami na kailangan tingnan. That's why I'm creating a unit ngayon, a task force na composed of our financial unit, financial investment unit, tsaka financial investigation unit, tsaka ang aming special action unit to investigate on the matter. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also will seek help of the BCDA para magkaroon ng clear dito. As we speak now, wala pa naman tayong sasabihin na na-identify, but there are already personalities na nakikita natin doon sa dokumento, sa initial na pumasok sa atin.